problem often encountered in older buildings: rising damp. As the following graphic shows, a horizontal barrier is missing in the masonry. The rising damp is absorbed as if by a sponge and is pulled up the wall. Among other contaminants, harmful salts are also transported and become visible on the surface of the wall. The damage becomes visible on the areas of the wall where the moisture evaporates. The salts crystallize on the surface and destroy the masonry and plaster. The consequences are spalling, destruction of the mortar joints, reduced thermal insulation, and damage to the building structure. Before repairing damaged masonry, a careful survey and analysis must be conducted by a specialist. The repair begins with the installation of a horizontal barrier with KOSTER Crisin Cream. The process can also be used in moisture contents of up to 95% and independent of the salt content. KOSTER Crisin Cream can be used safely and in a targeted manner, as its creamy consistency means that it is not lost in voids or cracks. First, the old, salt-damaged plaster is removed in the area where the new horizontal barrier is to be installed, and loose material is removed from the masonry. Hereby, the mortar joint in which the holes are to be drilled can also be located. The horizontal barrier is then installed. KOSTER Crisin Cream is a Cylon-based injection cream used against rising damp and can be used on a variety of mineral building materials. KOSTER Crisin Cream has been tested according to the WTA standard up to a moisture content of 96%. The KOSTER special caulking gun is required for processing. First, the distance between the drill holes is marked off. It is always 10 centimeters, regardless of the wall thickness. The holes are drilled horizontally with a diameter of 14 millimeters, ideally in the lowest horizontal joint, to a depth of 3 centimeters before the end of the masonry. The drill holes are cleaned with pressurized air. The tubular bags are then prepared. The tubular bag clip on the opening side is cut off in order to achieve an optimal material discharge. Then, the tubular bags with the KOSTER Crisin Cream are inserted into the caulking gun, fitted with the injection tube and the toothed tubular bag opener. The injection tube is now inserted into the drill holes, and the material is filled evenly and without voids from the back to the front. Finally, the drill holes are sealed flush with the surface using KOSTER KBFix 5.